With eLearning Plus, you can propel your learning experience to a whole new dimension. You can enroll in any course with just one click. Lessons activity can be monitored by progress bar on the top of your course section, while overall course progress can be monitored in sidebar. Every course is divided into lessons, topics, and quizzes. All the media and document files associated to that specific course can be found under Materials tab. At the completion of every course, you will be awarded with points, certificates, and badges. eLearning Plus also supports online classes with the help of which you can interact with your instructor for better learning experience. It can be easily configured in Settings tab, where you can configure its video quality, video recording, selection of input devices, and meeting-ready virtual backgrounds. In Home tab, you can start a new meeting, join an ongoing meeting, schedule a meeting, and share your screen. Joining a meeting is as simple as a single click. You can see your upcoming meetings in Meetings tab. With the support of cross-platform, virtual classes can be joined anywhere, on any device, including desktop and mobile devices. Contact us today and give your learning wings, with our super fast and ultra cool learning experience.